There comes baby Lucas. Hey, baby Lucas. Look at baby Lucas's tail. So cute.
Here, let's do it up.
My tail. My tail.
Yeah, Melissa has a beautiful tail too. What do you say, Melly?
Mommy's tail too.
Trick or treat.
Watch yourself.
It's Mommy's tail.
What do you say? Trick or treat. Yeah, there he comes.
What?
Okay, you grab the camera and take a picture,
I
please.
want the head on.
I mean, Mommy.
But you can't be a monkey. Here, Melissa, look. Let me show you. Come here. Melissa, come here. Look. Look. Look at
And there's Alex getting ready.
like this. Now watch. Watch how you look at the monkey head. Watch. Look.
Everybody's got a tail today.
Look at mommy.
Okay, we can go outside if you want. Alex, look at mommy.
Here, we'll take
Alex.
this off and let's put this on.
Hi.
How's that,
Hi, buddy. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Warm.
Trick or treat.
What?
Can you say trick or treat? Melly, trick or treat. Melissa,
Wait.
trick or treat.
That's Lucas's. That's not yours.
You know, I didn't buy them a pumpkin thing like that.
I thought you had one.
No, I have a bunny.
Yeah, I know you have a bunny.
Look at baby Lucas right there. Hi, monkey. Okay, I'm gonna get my shoes on.